According to China EV Post, Tesla is offering a new incentive for Chinese customers. Those who order a Tesla vehicle before June 20th can get 5,000 kilometers of free supercharging, but only 140 spots are available. Additionally, customers replacing 2 Goodyear tires at a Tesla service center within the next month will receive 600 kilometers of free supercharging. Replacing 4 tires increases the free supercharging to 1,200 kilometers. Tesla also announced that Chinese customers who purchase Model 3 and Model Y vehicles produced by June 30th are eligible for a zero down payment program. For existing Model Y vehicles, a zero-interest loan is available with a down payment of at least $11,050. In April, Tesla sold 62,167 China-made vehicles, with 30,746 exported. This means 31,421 vehicles were sold in China, a 49.64% decrease from March. Tesla's Shanghai factory produces the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover, serving local customers and acting as an export hub. You are listening to Yuan News.